The disposable endo linear stapler is divided into two parts: stapler body and cartridge. The stapler body consists of reset button, safety button, active trigger handle, articulating lever, rotation knob, and cutting component. The disposable endo linear stapler. Before installing the cartridge, first pull back the black reset button to clean the stapler. And ensure that the articulating lever and rotation knob are non-rotating. Line the white arrow of the cartridge with the white arrow of the stapler body. Push the cartridge down to the bottom and rotate clockwise, and double-check after installing the cartridge. Trigger. Remove the yellow protective sleeve. Insert the cartridge of the stapler into the human body cavity through a trocar. Adjust the angle of the stapler. Close the jaw. Press the green safety button. And trigger slowly by using a 15-second trigger method. After complete triggering, open the jaw to release the tissue. Close the jaw. Rotate the articulating lever and rotation knob to the original state to count the stapler after returning the cartridge to the original site. And there are 3 rows of nails on each side of the cartridge. The suture effect is better if the shape of nails appears like B. Cartridge removing. Pull back the black reset button. Turn the articulating lever and rotation knob to the original state. Press the green safety button. Hold the cartridge, rotate counterclockwise, and take out the cartridge. Lepu Medical, to address global medical needs.